Hello there, Bolt Explorers. Going to be doing some maintenance today on my 002, the XR650L. This is the swing arm chain slide guard. Looks like it's just been pretty chewed up. I've never replaced one of these before. I'm just slowly learning about things. I thought it might be because of improper chain tension, which I'm totally guilty of, but I am learning and correcting myself now. This might just be like over time, blah blah blah, because it's only a $10 replacement part off of Amazon. And yeah, so it's very simple to put on. There's just two screws to put on. The last one I put on, or when I took it off, the screw got stripped because it was tightened with trauma and just a hatred of screws. So had to go to Lowe's and get a replacement set of screws. So no big deal. This is the company I got it from. Looks like it's a Moto 1988 Amazon purchase. Easy day. All right. Okay, I apologize for the crappy lighting, but here is the after install, because I really didn't have a stand to put the phone on, and it's literally like a 2-minute thing. 2 screws right there. You can probably get away, because I pulled the old one off without taking off the front sprocket cover, but taking it off, routing it around, and making sure that it fits in there is it just makes it so much easier. And it's just two hex screws right there and there. No big deal. Loose, however tight your chain, it doesn't matter. Mine is like extremely out of whack right now, but I got a new chain coming, and before I take it out tonight, I'm gonna be tightening it up. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. It's a 2-minute job, 4-minute job, 2 minutes take it off, another put back on. Easy day. And it's just good maintenance practice for your bike. All right.